up, guys? It's Abs, and I know it's been 2 months, but I just got back to Vegas right now. I stole Sean's phone because when I walked in here, I realized that his apartment needs to be Christmasified, and I don't know if that's a word, but today it is. So today we're gonna go to Target, I think, and then we're gonna just go Christmas shopping and revamp his apartment.
Hi, can I get a venti white chocolate mocha with cinnamon dolce?
I have a venti matcha frappuccino.
Can I get a venti matcha frappuccino?
A venti matcha frappuccino?
With no classic.
With
No classic.
with what?
No classic.
With no classic.
Or in almond milk.
And with almond milk.
You still want the whipped cream?
Thank
No, thank you. Be the most complicated order.
It's gonna be $12.68.
Sweet.
Alright.
Sugar daddy.
I'm your sugar daddy.
Yes.
I'm unemployed.
Me too.
Oh,
Need
shoot.
a receipt today?
I'm okay, thank you. We have no business coming to Starbucks when we're both unemployed. At the Christmas shopping mecca. I have never seen a cart with cup holders.
When did they do this?
I don't know. It's kind of cute.
No, get this one.
What's
That one looks gimpy.
They look the same.
No, this one looks better.
Okay.
This?
Yeah,
Oh, it's cute, yeah.
I like that one a lot. Let's do that one.
Right, we're going to...
Replace the couch cushions.
Wow, you finished my sentence. Like, these ones have both. And then the blue will match the curtains and the red will match the tablecloth and pull them together. Like, you can have these two pillows and then have another one in the middle.
Another pillow in the middle. Oh,
Yeah, that's like red and pulls
yeah.
it together.
Also, look at this throw blanket that I
Oh.
found.
That's cute.
I can replace the one on the couch with it and then move that one into like
Yeah.
my bedroom for a while.
Well, this matches that throw pillow. Does that look cute?
I think so.
I think it looks cute.
I think it looks super cute.
Yay. Okay, that's done.
Which one, Santa or the Christmas tree?
Santa.
Santa? Okay. Bath towels. Green bath towels.
And it matches this.
And it matches these ones more. Okay, so scratch that bath rug.
I got these candles to put on the table to pull in these blues with the red tablecloth. And then we can get a snowboard too.
I just feel like the couch and the table are so far away from each other to worry about if they match.
Same room.
I am clearly the boy here.
Would that look weird on the table or no? I think
Oh,
it looks fine.
let's just buy it and find out. Let's just buy all of it and then we'll go home and figure it out.
We're unemployed. I wish I recorded this conscious dilemma Sean just had because he thinks these trees are too girly. So he's going with the non-sparkly one.
I like this one. And we found some lights and we don't know where we're gonna put them, but we have them
And we're buying 4 of them,
just in
apparently.
case.
You guys, he has been so picky about his wreaths and he found the one.
Yeah, this is perfect. It's $20 and it has bells. I
Yeah.
like it. We should pick this up just because I'm kind of running low.
I like this one.
Peppermint mocha.
I've never had it, but it looks yummy.
It looks yummy. Let's get this. So I definitely just went overboard on all the Target shirts.
Every single time we go to Target.
Every time. I'm literally wearing Target shorts here. This is a shirt. Look, these are the shorts that I'm currently wearing.
Oh my god.
We need to get out of here before we buy more stuff. This was only just the clothes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's like the TikTok where it's like, oh no, oh no.
Oh no.
This amount from Target is ungodly.
This is a little bit overboard. I'm begging you guys, please watch the ads. Don't skip them.
Please, we're
Please.
unemployed.
We're unemployed. I'm begging you guys. All right, so here is the last look at the apartment before it is all Christmased out. We're gonna decorate things there and switch that up a little bit and put lights places and whatever else we bought. And cue the decorating montage. So here's the progress. We basically just lined all the desks with lights, and here as well. And then we lined the back of this console with lights, kind of sloppily, just kind of threw it back there. But then we put up this little tree, we put the stockings up, we put this wreath up, we did the couch, which looks all Christmassy now. And then here's the table with this little arrangement that Abs did. And then by the front door, we have this guy. But I'll show you guys in a few hours what it looks like when it gets dark and you guys can actually see the Christmas lights. All right, so this is what it looks like with all the lights. Looks kind of nice. I like the back glow behind the monitor and then behind the TV as well. And then we had like the extra string because we bought 4, and so we made it come up here and then across the top. And it makes the stockings look really nice. Like this whole corner kind of just looks nice.
It's my favorite corner of the whole place.
Yeah. And then we just kind of lined the desk with lights, so kind of gives off a good vibe. And yeah, that's what the whole living room looks like. And this guy's still my favorite. We appreciate you guys joining us today. I know this isn't really like a med school vlog like my other ones are, but we just thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with us while we decorate the apartment,
Which has officially been Christmasified.
Thank you guys again for joining us. Happy holidays, and we'll see you guys next time.